Today, I'm going to show you the different ways you can add files and images to your blog posts with the new DropInBlog editor. You can upload images, Word docs, Excel files, CVSs, and PDFs. There's 3 different ways you can add files and images to your blog posts. The first one is just by dragging and dropping your files from your computer directly into here in the content area. Now grab an image and dropping it in. It gets uploaded, and if you click here on this image icon, your file manager will open up and you'll be able to see your file uploaded. The second way to add your files and images is if you have a file in your clipboard, whether you've taken a screenshot or maybe you've got a copy of an image, you can actually just paste it here in the content area. We'll go ahead and copy a file, then click inside the content area and paste it in. There it is added to your post, and once again, if you click on this image icon, your file manager will open up and you'll see your file uploaded. The third way is by using the file manager. There's 3 different ways to upload an image or file using the file manager. The first one is by dragging and dropping your files directly into the file manager. Let's open your file manager by clicking on this image icon here. With the file manager open, just drag and drop in your file anywhere within the window. And there is your image uploaded. The second way is to click Upload here in the upper right of the file manager. Then, in the Upload Files pop-up, click on Browse, then select a file or image, and click on Open. Once again, there is your file uploaded to your file manager. The third way is to again click on the Upload button in the upper right, then just drag and drop in your file in the Upload Files pop-up. You'll see your file uploaded right here in the file manager. To add your file to your post, simply hover over your image, then click on Insert. And there is your file added to your post. A final thing to note is that if you want to add a link to your file on some text, you can do that as well. We'll just type in some text using the text link to PDF. Highlight your text of choosing. We're going to highlight PDF here. And in the pop-up, click on the link icon. Then click on the Files icon. Your file manager will open up. Then we'll just drag and drop in our PDF. Once uploaded, hover over the file and click on Insert. Back to the previous pop-up, we'll just click on Insert again, and now you've got a link to your PDF. And that is how you add files, images, and links to your blog posts with the new DropInBlog editor. Happy blogging!